Because there's steamers here. Steamer number 1, back there. Steamer number 3, steamer number 2, and there's steamer number 4, which is like a squid guy. And we're like gonna try to defeat them or something. I'm Sheriff. You?
Oh, you sure?
Yeah, you?
Would you give me the gun?
No. I ain't trusting nobody. Yeah, there. She just left. Like, that's number 3. The other one is Squid Boy, number 4. He just killed himself, honestly. This guy is team number 1. I mean 4. By the way, my little sister's also playing it, so yeah. We might post it at the same time. See these teamers? Like, bro, what? No, oh my gosh. I'm gonna hide here. Let's just see what they're gonna do. I'm gonna try to glitch in here, guys. No. Are you mine? No. Somebody else is a tiny. So I got scared. I thought who was that?
No.
Someone else is a tiny. Someone is a tiny. Yeah, I don't know. Someone else is a tiny. See, like that girl, this is C number 1. And number 3. 2. I don't think. There was like a squid guy earlier. I think he died. What? Oh yeah, it's that guy. It's this guy. This guy is the 4. And you forever kill me. I'm gonna hide here because why not? Because I'm a tiny. I can't glitch so much, but let me like step on the.
You haven't even filmed a second ago, and I already 4 minutes.
I'm gonna try to. Oh my god, come on.
She has a fresh cactus.
See, like I keep falling because I'm like so tiny. Try to get in here and either get flung or get like first of all, I'm gonna come back later, so bye guys. I'm gonna come back later. I'm gonna pause this.